Yes, I am Mohammed and basically I'm from mechanical department and I have more than 3 years experience in it as a design engineer. And when I decided to shift my career into IT industry, I have no knowledge about it and have no moral support for it. Then I came to know about GUVI through social media and decided to give it a try. In GUVI, initially they will provide a pre-boot session where we can get to know about the basic knowledge about our course and what are the expectations need to be fulfilled to get into the IT industry. I am very much satisfied with the pre-boot session and decided to join for full stack development. The mentors from GUVI are very experienced and we can get to know about new topics every day and we can improve our skills in it. The tasks and the assessment provided by GUVI will be useful for us to improve our skills every day, and their query support will help us to clear our doubts easily. Then, from my opinion, GUVI gives their full support for us, and I highly recommend this platform to people who are really interested to get into this IT industry. Thank you.